The year 2020 is going to be a big year for Volkswagen. The German giant may well be showing how green it is with the new ID.3 all-electric hatchback, but it hasn't forgotten about its most important car, the Golf. Meet the new 8th generation one. Arriving in February next year, the new Golf is pretty much as you'd expect. More technology? Check. Classy interior? Check. Petrols and diesels? Check. A plug-in hybrid version? Check. A Golf GTI? Check. Evolutionary styling? Of course. You wouldn't expect VW to mess around with the Golf formula too much. The general shape, particularly from the rear, is very similar to the last Golf. It's at the front where you'll find the biggest change, however. The nose is much lower, with a slimmer grille flanked by a pair of narrow LED headlights, but it's on the inside where the most interesting changes have taken place. Gone is the boring look of the previous Mark 7, replaced by a minimalist look that's far more modern. The interior is dominated by a pair of screens. The first, a 10-inch infotainment system, features a customizable display and has Android Auto and Apple CarPlay as standard. CarPlay now also operates wirelessly. The second is a 10.25-inch virtual cockpit that's thrown in as standard. No other rival can boast that. Almost all switches have been replaced by touch-sensitive surfaces. The temperature can be tweaked by sliding a finger across the panel at the base of the 10-inch display, for example. The only real switches are the hazard lights, the window and mirror controls on the doors, and the buttons on the steering wheel. As for engines, it's a little more conventional. There'll be a basic 89 bhp 1-litre 3-cylinder petrol, but the Golf Mark 8 has embraced mild hybrid technology. The 109 bhp 1-litre and 128 and 148 bhp 1.5-litre turbo petrols get a 48-volt electrical system that gives an extra 16 brake horsepower under acceleration. And there'll be a couple of 2-litre diesels at launch, with mild hybrid diesels arriving later. The plug-in hybrid GTE returns too. For the Mark 8, it comes with a 148 brake horsepower 1.4-litre turbo petrol, but thanks to a more powerful electric motor, total power now stands at 242 brake horsepower, the same as the outgoing Golf GTI performance. Battery capacity is up too. A 13 kilowatt-hour battery pack allows for a 43-mile pure electric range. There will be a GTI, of course, and a hotter Golf R too, with both likely to have mild hybrid tech. There will also be no pure electric e-Golf, as that would step on the toes of the new ID.3. We'll be driving this car later this year, but in the meantime, what do you think to it? Leave your comments below, and if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel by pressing the Auto Express logo.